Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Dimas Adia Pratama. Student ID number is 1925064 from Bina Sarana Informatika University. Today I will present about inside the computer and hardware. In this presentation, I will explain the important hardware component inside a computer and their function. So let's begin. Inside the computer and hardware, the purpose of this presentation is to help us understand the component inside a computer, the function of a component, how a computer works, and the definition of hardware and its types. This material is important to learn because hardware is the main component that makes a computer work properly. Next slide. What's inside the computer? A computer contains components that work together to the computer system. These components are connected to each other so the computer can function properly. A computer includes a monitor and keyboard. For example, the CPU contains many important devices that have their own specific tasks. For example, the processor processes data, RAM have speed of processing, storage for storing data, and the motherboard connects all the components. If one component fails, the computer can become slow, experience error on or even stop turning on. Next slide, main component inside the computer. This slide explains some the main component in a computer. Number 1, motherboard. The motherboard is the main board where all components are installed and connected. Function of the motherboard: connect the processor, RAM, storage, VGA, and other components. The motherboard can be linked to the main highway that connect all parts of the computer. Number 2, processor CPU. The processor or CPU is called the brain of the computer. Function of the CPU: process data, execute command, control the computer operation. The better the processor, the faster the computer will run. Number 3, RAM. RAM is temporary memory that helps the computer and application quickly. Example: when you open multiple applications simultaneously, such as Chrome, Word, and Spotify, RAM help all applications run smoothly. RAM only works while the computer is on. Number 4, storage. HDD or SSD. Storage is where data is stored. Functions: file, application, photos, video, and the operation system. HDD or storage will larger capacity but slower. SSD modern storage that is faster than HDD. Number 5, power supply. The power supply supplies electricity to all computer components. Without a power supply, the computer will not turn on. Number 6, VGA or CPU. The CPU processes graphics, typically used for gaming, graphic design, video editing, 3D animation. Number 7, cooling system. The cooling system cools the computer to prevent overheating. Example: fans, heatsink, and liquid cooling. If the computer overheats, performance can decrease. Next slide. The function of the main computer inside the computer. This slide explains the function of a computer component. CPU process data. CPU processes data. The CPU processes all data and executes other command. Therefore, the CPU is called the brain of the computer. RAM function the temporary store data while an application is being used. The more RAM, the faster and smoother your computer multitasking. Motherboard connect all components. The motherboard connect all components so they can run together. Storage permanent data. Storage Storage data permanently. Data permanent storage happen when the computer is turned off. CPU, graphics processing unit. GPU, graphics processing unit. The GPU processes image and visual display, the very important for gaming, editing, design. Power supply supplies electricity. The power supply provides electrical power to all components. Cooling system cool the computer. The cooling system are the computer temperature stable. The goal is to prevent the computer from overheating. The next slide, how it works inside the computer. How a computer works. This slide explains how a computer works from start to finish. Number 1, data comes in. Data is turned into the computer using keyboard, mouse, microphone, and scanner. Example when typing letter on the keyboard. Number 2, the CPU processes the data. The CPU processes in the incoming data. Example when opening an application or calculating numbers. Number 3, assist the process. Some help processes known faster. Some store data temporarily while the application is on use. Number 4, data is stored. Data is when saved to XDD or SSD. Example, saving a file segment. Number 5, results are displayed on the monitor output. The result of data processing are displayed on the monitor. Example, the text appears on the screen. Conclusion, how a computer works. Input, processes, storage, dan output. Next slide, what is hardware? Computer hardware is all the physical part of a computer that can be seen and touched. Hardware is essential for a computer to function. Example of hardware: keyboard, mouse, monitor, CPU, and printer. Hardware is very important because without it, a computer cannot be used. Simple explanation: if software is a program, then hardware is the physical device. For example, Microsoft Word is software, keyboard and monitor are hardware. Next slide, hardware type. Type of hardware. This slide explains that hardware is divided into several types. Number 1, input device. Device for entering data into a computer. Example, keyboard, mouse, and scanner. Number 2, output device. Device for displaying result. Example, monitor, printer, and speaker. Number 3, processing device. Device for processing data. Example, CPU. Number 4, storage device. Device for storing data. Example, HDD, SSD, and flash drive. Next slide, hardware example. Hardware examples. This slide provides example of hardware based on its type. Input device, keyboard, used to type letter and number. Mouse, used to move the pointer and select menus. Output device, monitor, display visual result. Printer, print document onto paper. Processing device, CPU, processes all data and commands. Storage device, HDD, larger capacity storage. SSD, modern fast storage. Next slide, hardware function. Hardware function. This slide explains the main function of hardware. Number 1, entering data into a computer, performed by input device as the keyboard and mouse. Number 2, processing data, performed by the processor or CPU. Number 3, displaying result, performed by output device such as monitor and printer. Number 4, storing data, performed by storage device such as HDD and SSD. Conclusion of this slide: all hardware has different but complementary functions. Next slide, conclusion. Instead, the computer hardware work together to ensure the computer can receive, process, store, and display data effectively. All components have a vital function in running a computer system. Instead, a computer various hardware components work together to enable the computer to receive data, process data, store data, and display results. Each component has a vital function and cannot work alone. If one component is damaged, the computer system can be disrupted. Thank you for watching this presentation until the end. Hopefully it was useful and added to your knowledge. See you on the next opportunity. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.